What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car discussion and reaction channel on YouTube. On today's episode we're going to be covering Stradman, Matt Armstrong and Highcade, basically something I've covered before. If you're new to the channel, guys, we just discussed about what's going on, have a laugh, and hopefully we can get a project car in the summer with your help by basically smashing the like button and also smashing the subscribe button. Get involved. I do bring up your comments every Sunday as well. And check out my other videos. I just basically give my thoughts and opinions, and as I said, just have a laugh, not be too serious, and just chat to you guys in the comments below as well. As well, guys, if you want to tag me and stuff on Instagram or any videos you want me to check out, please do let me know. Some of you have started like sending me stuff, which thanks a million whoever has sent me stuff on Instagram already. If you want to ask me any questions on Instagram, my DMs are always open. If you want to come on for a podcast and have a chat, guys, hit me up and let me know as well. And I'm just trying to make this a variety of stuff on the channel, and hopefully I can do some vlogs for you pretty soon as well. And I am on the search for a project car also. So let's get into today's video. We're going to kick it off with Highcade. Guys, this guy is basically makes renders or concepts of body kits that he puts on cars. I've covered this guy before. He's going to get fucking huge. This latest video is probably one of my favorites that he's done. He's put a new render of his sort of body kit on an Audi R8, and I love it. I absolutely fucking love it. This thing is so sick looking. The video is around 2 minutes 21 seconds long. Link in the description below. I really highly recommend go checking out this guy's channel and the actual video. Just the way he does these kits are unbelievable. Probably my favorite part, it's just so aggressive looking, but some of my favorite parts about it, I really love the front end. The wing is gorgeous. One of my favorite parts is the wing, and the 4 exit exhaust in the back. It looks like it's a bit of a neochrome color. It's fucking sick. It's such a nice body kit for the R8. Probably one of my favorite body kits I've ever seen. And the one thing I don't like is the plastic on it. If that was like a glass carbon where the plastic is going around it, that thing would be perfect. I mean, if we could ever get big enough, guys, for me to get this guy to make a render for a project car and get it built, I would do it. I'm just so shocked that nobody like TJ Hunt or Tavarish or DD or somebody, a big car YouTuber out there, even Stradman, has gotten onto this guy to render them a body kit for one of their cars to get it made. I mean, it would just be epic. You'd have a custom 101 body kit that nobody would have. And I mean, I'm surprised no body kit company has picked this guy up either. Like, he's just going to keep getting, I think once he gets over 100k, he'll start definitely getting noticed. But his views are anywhere from, 150 to maybe even 600,000 views, which is insane. So I highly recommend check out his channel, guys. I love his renders. Let me know what you think of the renders below. Do you love it, do you not like it, or whatever bits you like about it. But yeah, guys, I can't wait to see what other renders he does. Gladly will cover him in the future more often as well. Next up is going to be Stradman. Stradman video from yesterday basically is, he's bought a new car, supercar. Well, I suppose the C8 is a supercar. He's bought another one, and he has been dropping hints that he was going to buy another one, and I'm glad he did. I do miss his old C8. I prefer his C8 over the Supra that he had, and he got it in this blue. I can't remember the name of this blue on it, and he got the blue interior on it as well. I really love this color on the C8. I think it's dope. Question is though, guys, let me know in the comments below, do you want him to wrap it or do you want him to leave it this color blue? Do you think he's going to modify the hell out of it like he did in his last C8? Power gains. He hasn't dropped any hints, I don't think, about what he's going to do to the C8. As I said, I really loved his last one, so hopefully he goes balls out in this one. I wouldn't mind if he kept that color blue, but if he was going to wrap it, I suppose it depends what color he would go with it as well. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of him purchasing a C8. Did you want him to get something else? Are you happy he's after buying another C8? Obviously, he's been out messing around with the Triple F connection in Ohio, getting to drive the P1. Oh, what a fucking car. If I was rich, definitely be on my top of my list. But yeah, he's just been out messing around there, and yeah, we now know he's gotten a C8. So let me know in the comments below, guys, as well. And next up after that is going to be Matt Armstrong. Matt Armstrong's latest video was basically him putting a new exhaust system on his Golf R, which is way better and sounding better than you know, his old exhaust. He went back to Scorpion exhausts, had a chat with them, got a resonator I think in it and bigger pipes, and yeah guys, I think it sounds way better. It sounds just, I don't know, the tone off it is lovely. Here is a quick clip for you guys.
So just before we go, let's have another little exhaust test.
Yeah guys, definitely sounds better than his last exhaust. If you watch Matt Armstrong, you know what I mean. If you're not watching Matt Armstrong, you're fucking nuts. I mean, the guy is really good. He's got loads of projects going on, really good at doing the mods. He's also brought his girlfriend's Mustang in, and it's getting a Liberty Walk wide arch kit in it, so that's going to be sick. And she picked out the rims she picked out for it, I don't personally like, but I'm not going to judge yet until I see him on the wide arch kitted Mustang, because you know, we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, he's just got so much going on. It's a great channel guys, highly recommend go check it out. He's just been crushing it as well. But you know, it is Matt Armstrong. Every video I watch, there's always something fun in it, and it's just the way he does things is brilliant. Next up is going to be Ideal Media. Ideal Media latest video was some of the best wide arch kits that have been never made or made out there or currently going at the moment. Really good video. I was actually I've seen all these kits before, but one or two you'd know straight off the bat are going to be on that list even before you watch the video. Others, one or two I've never seen before. One of the first ones that was done was absolutely nuts. I can't remember the name of the car. It had some crazy name in Japan. There was 400 of them made. I think it was Rock Bunny or Liberty Walk to the first, and it was sick. But yeah, one of the cars on there that was done by VAD. It was done in a Bentley Continental, and I was looking at it going, Jesus, that looks like a body kit that's very familiar. And I was like, oh yeah, it does look very familiar. Veltside actually have a wide arch body kit, which is totally nuts. I've never seen anybody do this kit on a Supra. And yeah, I mean, if I was rich guys, I know it's a Supra, Mark IV Supra, you know it's sacrilegious to be going completely changing them. But if I was rich, I would love to do a Supra in that kind of body kit. It does make it kind of look like a bit GT Continental-ish, but I think it looks way more aggressive. It reminded me of that. But the rest, the Pandem wide body kit for the Cayman. Now, guys, when we get a project car, if things go well and we can step up, I think the next car after would be a Cayman for me if I could afford it. I would definitely go down the Pandem wide arch body kit route as well. It's a lovely kit, so I was definitely one I would consider. But it's a good list. I highly recommend, if you haven't seen Ideal Media's video, link in the description below, definitely check it out. There's some really sick wide arch kits cars on it. And I just enjoyed the video, and I watched every second of it, and some really nice ones, and probably give you some ideas if you have one of those cars to modify too. And next up is going to be, or last up, it's going to be Elliot Alves, guys. I just want to give it a quick cover because he just released his video a while ago, and basically covering what happened with the crash of his Z4. Again, great news that he's okay. Basically, I'd say he got whiplash or stiff neck. He's made some jokes about it. He just basically made a video covering, literally just after he crashed, he made a recording about it. And it was a girl who crashed into him in an intersection. The car is totaled. I'd say hers is totaled as well. But again, guys, to be in a car that old and walk out of it, you know, is unbelievable, and just glad both of them are safe. Just when you watch the video, you see how mangled the Z4 is. So he has basically said now he's got to find a new car. I did comment to him saying, get another Z4. You have unfinished business. I would love to see him get another Z4 because they are such a dope car. Because I'm thinking of getting one as a project car, and I would love to see what he does to it so I can rob some tips off him. So that's it for today, guys. That's everybody I've covered. Again, you know, thanks a million if you've watched the end, and thanks a million to everybody who subscribed. Again, we're after getting our 3 or 4 subscribers from my last video, and just you fucking legends been smashing the like button and commenting. You know, it's just unbelievable to give the channel and me a chance to watch me every day and my rambling shit. So it really is appreciative, guys, and just keep it up. And yeah, so until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.